Today we are going to talk about what is mole. A mole is a SI unit used to measure the amount of substance. Definition is 1 mole contains 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles, and that thing is called Avogadro number. These particles may be atoms, molecules, or ions. 1 mole of carbon contains 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms. 1 mole of water also contains 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 water molecules. The important formula, moles from mass. So if we want to calculate the number of moles, we are simply going to take a mass, okay, relative divided by sorry. So that is mass divided by relative formula mass, okay. Therefore we can rearrange them. Moles is equal to mass over mr, or mass is equal to moles into mr, or mr is equal to mass divided by moles. So first question is, calculate the number of moles in 18 gram of water, okay. So step 1 is find mr. What is mr? Mr is we have to add all the ars of the elements in H2O. So we have two hydrogen. So 2 multiplied by 1 gives us H2. That is 2 plus 16 is Ar for oxygen. That will give us 2 plus 16, that is 18. Okay. Now 18. 18, after 18 we have moles is equal to mass is 18 grams, and Mr is also 18. So that will give us 1 mole. Okay. Now next question. CO2. So MR of CO2 is carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So 12 plus 16 into 2 is 32. 32 plus 12 is 44. So 44 divided by 44 is 1 mole. Okay. Now we are going to do find the number of moles in 80 grams of NaOH. So Na is 23, O is 16, and hydrogen is 1. So we will just add them. 23 plus 6 plus 1 is 10. 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 40. And 80 grams is present. So moles is equal to mass over mr. So m is equal to mass is 80 divided by 40. That will give us 2 moles. Okay. Now the second formula for mass from the moles. That is quite simple. Mass is equal to moles into mr. We haven't done anything. We just simply rearrange the formula so that we have the formula moles is equal to mass divided by mr. So we just move mr over here. Here it is divided by mass. If we move to the other side, it will be multiplied with the number of moles. So the question is, calculate the mass of zero point 0.5 moles of oxygen gas. So O2, mr of O2, mr of O2 is 16 into 2, that is 32. 32 is the mr, so we will multiply number of moles into mr. Number of moles is zero point 0.5 into 32, so that will give us 16 grams. Now number of particles. Particles is equal to moles into Avogadro constant. Okay. So simply first question is, how many moles present in how many particles are present in 2 moles of CO2? So simply 2 into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, that is 1, sorry, that is 1.204 into 10 raised to power 24 moles. Okay. Now number of moles from the number of particles. So moles is equal to particles over Avogadro constant. So first question is, how how many moles are present in 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23? So simply we have to do what? Moles is equal to number of particles, that is 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by Avogadro constant, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So they will divide. So that is 0 point, that is 1 second, that is 0.5. 5. Now we have to do the gas gas volume, okay, at room temperature and pressure. 1 mole of gas occupies 24 decimeter cube. So mass is equal to volume. So mass is equal to volume divided by 24. So volume is equal to moles into 24. Okay, if we know the number of moles, we just simply multiply it with 24. Okay, so now here is an example. So example is, find the volume occupied by 3 moles of oxygen gas. So simply number of moles are 3, so we have to multiply with 24. That will give us 72 decimeter cube. How many moles are present in 42 decimeter cube of nitrogen gas? So 1 mole occupy 24 decimeter cube. So 48 divided by 24 give us 2 moles. Okay. More, always use the coefficient in the balance equation. For example, 2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2O. So H2 ratio is 2. You can see from this equation. O is 1 and H2 is, that is 2H2O, so 2. That means 2 moles of H2O reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 2 moles of H2O. That's all about it.